Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I have come with a easy heatless curly hair tutorial curl with your hands without any damage. There is no need of any products or tools like straightener, curler or hair dryer. All you need is a natural damp hair and a two finger. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is how my natural freshly washed hair look like. Now let's detangle the hair. After detangling the hair, partition the hair into two halves. Start with sectioning your hair and the thickness is up to you. Start by placing two fingers behind the hair and creating a cocoon. Roll your hair around the head and wrap the remaining hair around. When you reach the end portion of your hair, secure your wrapped hair by placing in between your two fingers and lock it by pulling the rolled cocoon down. Leave the small portion of the hair for releasing of the curls. Repeat the same step all throughout till whole head is covered. Finally, we raise the end portion of the hair. This is how it's gonna look when you are done with your wrap and roll. This might look difficult now, but believe me, once you try this out, you're gonna love it. Now keep this roll for around 1 hour. You can keep this for longer if you have more time. The longer you keep, the better it will turn out. So I kept them for an hour. Now let's undo it. Pull the outward section slowly. Be gentle and don't create a freeze. Now let's do separation of the curl. Separation is the key to volume. And that's how I got this awesome curly hair. This method is great for girls who have natural straight hair but want to try out curls without damaging the hair. And the best part is you don't need any equipment to get this curls. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.